Okay, everyone. So you have seen the course curriculum. What are the commands we are going to execute in our terminal and try to understand the Linux basic as well as the advanced troubleshooting commands. Okay, along with that, before starting with this actual course, I'll just give you a brief intro about myself. My name is Vikash Kumar. I have overall 5+ years of experience. If I talk about my experience, where I have worked on, so I got an opportunity to work with Cloudera as a solution engineer. I have also spent almost 3 years with AWS as a cloud engineer, and I have started my career as a system engineer at the Robert Bosch. Currently, I am the founder of this TechSarthi Academy and TechSarthi.ai. You might have seen me over the YouTube. This is my YouTube channel, TechSarthi Academy, where I have uploaded more than 450 videos. Okay, so you might have seen me for any of the video, but along with that, the my most current experience that I have worked on is AWS as a cloud engineer in the big data team, and I regular life I use the Linux command. So I just put my all of my experience, all of my expertise, and I know what actually you need in the industry to troubleshoot the exact scenario based problem with the client end. So okay, this is all about my introduction. Now moving ahead, let's start with the course.